Hey guys, all things Apple, and we are going to be unboxing in this video these Vivitar headphones. That video is coming up right now. Okay guys, so this is a Vivitar Stereo Headphone. Vivitar Stereo Headphone. That is what they look like. And I have actually used these headphones, and they're not the greatest headphones in the world, hence why it's open. But I put them back in the box, just so I could do an unboxing video of them for you guys. Right, now, all you have to do now is just take these things off. If you've got them brand new, you peel these things off, and then you do open this bit of the box, then open the two tabs. Take the headphones out. I even made it like this again. We'll set the headphones aside a second. The only other things in the box. The only other things in the box is this user sheet and this. I'm not going to be reading the user sheet because it'll just be really obnoxious of me. I don't read user sheets from things like that. And yeah. And there is going to be, I am actually going to be getting a new phone soon. So yeah, you might get a new camera, because I'm actually recording this from my phone right now. So yeah, I pretty much upload all my videos from my phone. So yeah. This is annoying, but there we go. I'll take that box down there now in a few minutes, and now I'm just gonna go and get my iPod. I'll cut ahead in the video until I've done it. Okay guys, I'm back with my iPod. Yeah, we got this one, the boring 4th generation. It does what I want it to do. It plays some games. These are all older versions of apps, most of which don't actually work as well, very well anymore. But if you were to ask me, you can play games on it. The games I got on it. Minecraft doesn't really work, but if you're to ask me, the game this runs best is Sonic. It's the original Sonic the Hedgehog. But that's for another video. So let's plug these into the iPod. Open up music and play this Christmas song on the headphones. Okay guys, I'm just gonna sort that out. The headphone jack on my iPod is really bad, so yeah, but the headphones don't actually sound like that. They just sound a bit like that because of the iPod. That's the iPod's headphone jack, it's not the headphones. So yeah, you've heard that song. But yeah, this iPod's headphone jack it's kind of naff, really. Well, it never used to be naff. And if you're going to ask me, I would say, if you're going to ask me what I think of it, I'd probably say it's duff. I'd probably say the headphone jack on this is duff. And you what? Oh, I thought there was something shoved in there then. I would actually say the headphone jack on this device is duff. Yeah, but that's just in my case for this iPod. I got decoration all over it, all over the back of it. And yeah. So that is the device. I've actually got my computer in here. I just get that, it won't take very long. Okay, so I've got my computer here now. And I will play a song on it, and you will actually get a proper sound quality. The sound quality of what this device, what these headphones actually sounds like. I'll undo this. Little bag tie here. I don't know if I can undo this little bag tie. Okay, there we go. The bag tie is undone. And now let's plug it into the computer. Click the YouTube icon there. You can't see it on the video because the camera screen's too small, but this is going to take probably going to take a while to load. It's going to annoy me, but I can always use this video. So walk of life I know actually. Get my favourite rendition of that song I just played. Right, so this is gonna take for bloody ages. This is just taking the bloody piss. This is annoying. And yeah. Oh my god, you piece of shit, come on. No, what? Oh my god, it's probably not even going to load that. So yeah, I will... Oh my god. So man. Right. Oh my god. Oh my actual god. This is taking the bloody piss. Oh my god. How bloody slow does this piece of crap need to be? This isn't actually a piece of crap. I'm just getting annoyed with this because it's not doing what I want it to do. I'll stop it from loading that, and now I'll try and load it again. Nah, it's not going to do it. So, oh my god, this is annoying. It's actually loading that now. So I'll get this. I'll go my history. Guess it's bound to be there. In fact, it will be there because I've watched the video I want to get before. Oh my god, this is annoying me so badly. Thank you. Thank you. And now I'm gonna have to... Right. Now I'm gonna have to scroll down until I find it. Which is really annoying. Actually, no, I don't have to. Right. Oh, no, I've done... There. I'll search that. That's what I was looking for. Right. This is the actual sound quality of the headphones. you've had enough. You've heard enough of that. You get the idea. This has been Vivitar Stereo Headphone unboxing and sound test. And yeah, it did kind of go wrong with the computer, taking the piss of everything, but yeah, by being slow on by being slow on video, so yeah, that annoyed me, and you could see on the video, it was pissing me off. It was pissing me right the freaking hell off, Yeah, pissing me right the freaking hell off. So this has been Vivitar Stereo Headphone unboxing and sound test. Right, sorry for that camera movement there. This has been all things right, and be sure to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at allthingsapple.iphone, and I will see you back here tomorrow for another video. This is All Things Apple, signing off.